students, welcome back. This is my 21st class on the topic hydrocarbons. Last class we were discussing about mechanism of some electrophilic substitution reaction, right? We have studied about your nitration reaction. We have studied how the electrophile will be generated, how the attack of electrophile will take place, and elimination of proton. Now let us study about halogenation. Halogenation reaction. Benzene will react with halogen. Benzene will react with halogens. Let us consider chlorine in the presence of Lewis acid such as AlCl3. AlCl3 to produce here chlorobenzene. Halogen substituted benzene will be formed. This is halogenation reaction of benzene. So what is the mechanism of this? I have told you the general mechanism. Hege agatte mechanism. The mechanism mainly involves three steps. First one is generation of electrophile, second one is attack of electrophile, and third one is elimination of proton, right? So see here in this reaction, first step in the mechanism of this reaction, first step is generation of electrophile. Only this step will differ. In all other steps are same. See, first step is generation of electrophile. Here AlCl3 reacts with Cl2. So what will happen? In this Cl bond will be there. This Cl, since it contains vacant p orbital, so what will happen? This chlorine will attach to this along with electrons. So it forms AlCl4 minus plus Cl plus. This is our required electrophile. Electrophile means electron loving species. This is deficient in electron. So what will happen? It will attack to electron rich center, that is benzene. Okay, it will attack to benzene. So second step is attack of electrophile on benzene ring. So what will happen in second step? This is benzene ring reacts with that Cl plus. So what will happen? Since it is rich in electrons, the arrow mark should be from electron rich center to electron deficient center. Don't write an arrow starting from here to here. Okay, so you will get benzene ring, 6-membered ring with positive charge over here and Cl attached here. So in next step what will happen? So this bond will move here and creation of, so this positive charge is resonance stabilized. Resonance stabilized carbocation formation will take place. See here, I have told you the resonance stabilized structure of carbocation. So no need to write this in examination, all the resonance stabilized structures, just write resonance stabilized carbocation formation will take place. So what will happen in this? See, in resonance stabilized structures, this is ring which contains a nucleophile attached to that ring and positive charge over here. In next step, this will move here, bond. So you will get a structure like this, bond Cl here and bond over here and positive charge here. In next step what will happen? This bond will come here, electrons in that bond will come here, and you will get a structure like this. Here one double bond, here one bond, Cl and positive charge. So positive charge, you can write the resonance hybrid of all these structures like this, equivalent to benzene ring containing electrophile and positive charge is delocalized. Okay, so last step, aromaticity is lost in this reaction because of lost in conjugation. Conjugation conjugation means alternative positive and negative charge, alternate double bonds. So illi double bond hogide. So this already lost its aromatic character. To attain its aromaticity, it will lose a proton. Illi one proton irutte, that it loses a proton. So third step is elimination of proton. This is third step, HCl plus, here elimination of proton will take place and this will move here. So this proton is take over by this AlCl4 minus, AlCl4 minus. So this one Cl minus will takes away this proton and you will get a product chlorobenzene plus AlCl3 plus HCl. Okay, this is a product. What will you get? This is halogenation reaction. Simple, only this step is different. First try learn the general mechanism so that you can easily write all the electrophilic substitution reactions. Okay, so next one is sulfonation. Next reaction is sulfonation reaction. We have studied nitration, halogenation is also over. Next is sulfonation reaction. Sulfonation. So what will happen in sulfonation reaction? We will replace one hydrogen by sulfonyl group. Sulfonyl group will replace one hydrogen in this. Okay, so here we treat benzene. In sulfonation reaction we are going to treat benzene with fuming sulfuric acid. The formula for fuming sulfuric acid is H2SO4 into SO3. Benzene reacts with fuming sulfuric acid, fuming sulfuric acid to give sulfo substituted benzene. Sulfonyl group will be substituted SO3H. This group will be substituted with this along with removal of H2O. Water molecule will be removed from this. So what is the mechanism of this reaction? How the mechanism will take place? So what is the name of this compound? Benzene sulfonic acid. This is benzene sulfonic acid formation will take place. So we are taking fuming sulfuric acid and formation of benzene sulfonic acid will take place. The mechanism is same, only first step is different, that is generation of electrophile. So which electrophile will be generated from this, that is fuming sulfuric acid. Here what will happen? H2SO4 and SO3 will be there, SO3. So it will form HSO4 minus plus HSO3 or SO3H plus. So this is our required electrophile. So what this is our required electrophile. In second step is electrophilic attack. So benzene will react with that electrophile SO3H plus and it gives carbocation. Intermediate formation will take place, SO3H plus H. Here formation of carbocation. This carbocation is resonance stabilized. Instead of chlorine here, no, I am repeating again, no need to write this in examinations. Just write resonance stabilized carbocation, that's all. Here all the cases SO3H. Replace all chlorine by SO3H. Here also SO3H and here also SO3H. Okay, resonance stabilized carbocation formation will take place, and final step is deprotonation, removal of proton from it. So that intermediate formed SO3H, it loses a proton to produce benzene sulfonic acid, SO3H. Okay, this will be the product formed in this reaction. Okay, so simple easy reactions, just you need to know how electrophile is produced. Electrophile ಹೇಗೆ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, one hydrogen of benzene ring is replaced by SO3H group, sulfonyl group. Okay, so this is sulfonation reaction. Next one is Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Next reaction, fourth reaction is Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. So all examples are same, just practice it. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. So what will happen here? Benzene will react with alkyl chloride. Benzene, it is very important reaction. Make a star mark in your all this electrophilic substitution reactions like nitration, halogenation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation. These are very, very important reactions. Okay, so here benzene will react with alkyl chloride CH3Cl. Benzene will react with alkyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous, in the presence of AlCl3, that is acid chloride, that is any this is an Lewis acid, in the presence of Lewis acid like AlCl3 to produce alkyl substituted benzene. You can take anywhere CH3. Alkyl substituted benzene formation will take place. This is alkylation of benzene. Friedel-Crafts alkylation of benzene. Here we are substituting alkyl group. See, I have taken alkyl chloride. Alkyl chloride tagondiradu. When it reacts with AlCl3, that is Lewis acid, so what will happen? So this alkyl group will be substituted to benzene. Enagatte benzene ring ge alkyl substitution agatte. This is Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. So first step is generation of electrophile. In the generation of electrophile, CH3Cl, alkyl chloride. Here I have taken alkyl methyl chloride. It will react with AlCl3. Okay, what will be the product formed? It will form AlCl4 minus plus CH3 plus. So this chlorine along with electrons will go with this AlCl3 and it forms AlCl4 minus plus CH3 plus. So this is our required electrophile. CH3 plus is our required electrophile. What it will do? It will, in second step, it will react with benzene ring plus CH3 plus. So attack of electrophile will take this electron rich center attacks here, it will go and attaches here. So you will get a carbocation CH3H positive charge over here. This carbocation is resonance stabilized. That replace all the SO3H group by CH3. Okay. So in next step, last step is elimination of proton. So from this, to attain its aromaticity, because aromatic compounds are stable, they are highly stable. So what will happen? To attain its stability and aromatic character, it will lose as a proton. This electrons will come here. So this AlCl4 minus, that means it will be like this, AlCl3 Cl, like this it will be there, AlCl4 minus. So this one Cl will go with this proton H plus. So it forms methyl substituted benzene, methyl benzene plus AlCl3 plus HCl. So this is Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Very important reaction. Nan matte repeat ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ reactions same. Only the generation of electrophile is different, other attack is same. Just remember which reagent you have to use and how electrophile will be generated. Electrophile generation is different only in case of nitration and sulfonation. In all other your reactions like halogenation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, and even in Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction, this electrophile generation is also same. Okay, so this is Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Benzene reacts with alkyl halide in the presence of Lewis acid like AlCl3 to form alkyl substituted benzene. Here it is methyl benzene. Okay, so it is also called as toluene. First step is generation of electrophile. Alkyl halide will react with AlCl3 to form electrophile. This electrophile will attack on benzene ring in the second step to form carbocation, which is resonance stabilized. And third step is elimination of proton. To attain its aromaticity, it loses a proton to produce alkyl substituted benzene. This reaction is called as Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Okay. Next one is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. This is the last electrophilic substitution reaction. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Here we will take acid chloride or acid anhydride as reagent. Benzene reacts with acid chloride or acid anhydride to substitute acyl group to benzene. Acyl group will be substituted to benzene. Which is acyl group? RC double bond O group. This group is called acyl group. This group will be substituted to benzene when you treat benzene with acid chloride or acid anhydride. Let me consider one example. Benzene react with CH3, C double bond O, Cl. This is acid chloride. Okay. So this forms in the presence of AlCl3. This is also one of the very important reaction. This acyl group will be substituted to benzene. Acyl group ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ benzene ring ಗೆ substitute ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. C double bond O CH3. C double bond O CH3 group will be substituted to benzene. What is the name of this compound? This is acetophenone. Acetophenone. This is a ketone. Acetophenone will be formed, and here we are treating benzene with acetyl chloride. This is acetyl chloride we are treating. It is an acid chloride. Acetyl chloride. We are treating benzene with acid chloride, acetyl chloride. So to form acetophenone, that is acyl substituted product will be formed. That is acyl substituted benzene will be formed. So here also first step is generation of electrophile. What will happen? CH3, C double bond O, Cl will react with AlCl3 to generate electrophile. The electrophile is CH3, C double bond O plus. This is our electrophile plus AlCl4 minus. Next step, what will happen? This is our electrophile. It will attack on benzene ring. Idu madutte electrophile benzene ring mele attack madutte. It forms benzene ring will be attacked by electrophile CH3, C double bond O plus. So it will attack here bond, and you will get a carbocation like this. Here positively charged carbocation C double bond O CH3H. Last this is resonance stabilized. Write the same structures. Okay. So third step is elimination of proton. C double bond O CH3H. Here elimination of proton will takes place, which is taken away by chlorine in AlCl4 minus. This AlCl4 minus will leave, take chlorine in AlCl4 minus will take this hydrogen, that is proton, and it forms benzene ring, acyl substituted, that is acetophenone CH3 plus HCl plus AlCl3. Instead of acid chloride, you can also take acid anhydride like CH3CO twice O. This is acetic anhydride. Okay. So here what will happen? Here also the same substitution will take place. Electrophile generation will take place and electrophilic substitution reaction will take place. Here also CH3CO group will be introduced here. This is about electrophilic substitution reactions of benzene ring. First we have learned nitration, second one is halogenation, third one is sulfonation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation and Friedel-Crafts acylation reactions. So in all these reactions, electrophile generation is different, except that all others are same. All other steps are same. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ electrophile generation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, electrophile generation ಆದಮೇಲೆ electrophile generation, second step is attack of electrophile and third step is elimination of proton. All the steps are same, just learn the general mechanism and this group will be changed. In every step change this group like this. Okay. So this is about electrophilic substitution reaction of benzene. Let's continue in next class about different reactions. Thank you.